Hello everyone, so here we have taken a ponytail and then underneath it we have applied a pin. After that, taking all of the remaining hair and then applying a rubber band on them, thereby folding them with the help of this black pin into a voluminous bun. Next we are going to use this pin on our hair, and then we are going to take hair from both the sides and securing to both the ends of this clip. Repeat the same process, joining both of the layer together, securing it with the pin, and your hairstyle is ready. Next we are going to take a ponytail, loosen it up, and then underneath it we are going to apply this pin. After that, taking the remaining hair and then applying a rubber band on it, thereby folding it into this beautiful bun with the help of this black pin. Next we are taking all of the hair, folding it out into like this. After that, we are going to fold it out into inward direction into a shape of low bun, then securing it with the help of this puffy rubber band. Next we are using this tool for making our braid. We are going to take hair from both the sides one by one and start passing it through the tool, and then you can see your braid will be made. After that, we are going to secure the braid by using a rubber band, and then you can apply any kind of clutchers or rubber bands to your braid and your simple French hairstyle is completed. Let's move ahead towards the next one. Here we've taken a ponytail. We are going to loosen it up a bit and then applying this clip underneath our hair. After that, taking the remaining hair and then folding it out into a bun with the help of this black pin. Next, we are going to take a ponytail, and then by using this beautiful flower pin underneath it, we are going to take it and fold it into inwards direction into a voluminous bun with the help of this black clip. Next, we are taking a low ponytail and then applying this pin on our hair. Then we are going to fold the hair outwards into this beautiful bun and securing it with the same clip only. Next, we are taking a ponytail up using this beautiful butterfly pin. Then we are going to fold the hair out. We are not folding all of the hair. Then we will take the rest of it and again fold it. Next, we are taking a pony and then applying this beautiful navy blue clip underneath it, and then we are going to fold the hair and securing it with the help of a pin. Next, we are taking all of the hair and by using our finger, we are going to fold them out into an elongated bun. Then we are going to secure it by using this beautiful pin to our hair. Next to our low ponytail, we are going to apply a pin and then folding it out into a low shape bun, and it's ready.